If you've been feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or like a cloud of sadness just won't lift, this episode is for you. My name is Jason Scott Smith, and I want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to serve you and help you navigate this thing called life. Today we're tackling a tough but important topic: how to break free from a depressed state by mastering your thoughts, breathing, and movement. We're going to dive into actionable techniques that can help shift your mental state and rewire your brain for positivity and resilience. Let's get into it. The first step in getting out of a depressive state is becoming aware of the thoughts that have dominated your mind. It's easy to spiral when we're unaware of the narratives we're repeating to ourselves. The key here is monitoring without judgment. Start by asking yourself these questions. What thoughts are on repeat in my mind? Are these thoughts helping me or harming me? Would I say these things to a loved one? Once you identify these thoughts, write them down. Get them out of your head and onto paper can help you see them objectively. Now challenge these thoughts. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "I'll never feel better," replace it with, "This is temporary and I'm taking steps to improve my state." Remember, what you focus on grows. By actively redirecting your focus to thoughts of gratitude, progress, or even small wins, you're rewiring your brain to look for solutions instead of problems. Remember, thoughts become things. What we think about, we bring about. And the next thing, change your breathing. Have you ever noticed how your breathing changes when you're anxious or sad? It becomes shallow and quick, or you might even hold your breath without realizing it. The good news is, by consciously changing your breathing patterns, you can send signals to your brain to calm down and shift your emotional state. Here's a simple technique to try. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 to 8 seconds. Do this for 2 minutes. This type of breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system. I know it's a big word, sorry. What this does is it reduces stress and promotes a sense of calm. And here's another tip. Try power breathing if you're feeling lethargic. This involves quicker inhales and exhales through the nose to boost your energy levels. Experiment and see what works best for your mood. Now let's get into motion, because motion creates emotion. Tony Robbins famously says, "Motion creates emotion," and science backs this up. When you want to change your physical state, your emotional state often follows. Depression can make you want to stay still, but the very act of moving can create a shift. Here's a few ways to incorporate movement into your day. The power pose. Stand tall, hands on your hips or raised in the air like a champion. Hold this pose for 2 minutes. Studies show that adopting expansive postures can boost confidence and mood. Exercise. You don't need to run a marathon. A brisk walk, some yoga, or even dancing around your living room can release endorphins and improve your mood. Shake it out. Feeling stuck? Shake your arms, legs, and body for 30 seconds. It might feel silly, but it's a quick way to release tension and reset your energy. When you move with intention, your brain starts associating that movement with a more positive state. Now that we covered monitoring your thoughts, changing your breathing, and using movement to shift your state, let's talk about making this sustainable. A one-time effort is great, but consistency is where the magic really happens. For your morning routine, start your day with gratitude journaling, breath work, or light exercise. Setting the tone in the morning can make a huge difference. And check in with yourself 2 or 3 moments in the day. You want to pause, you want to monitor your thoughts. How's your breathing? How's your posture? Set an alarm if you need to. And your evening wins. Before bed, write down 3 things you're proud of or grateful for. Maybe it was a terrible day. Maybe things didn't go right. But make something up. Lie to yourself if you have to. I'm so grateful that the sun came out. I'm so grateful that I didn't stub my toe this morning, or whatever it is that you need to be grateful for. Find something to be grateful for. This rewires your brain to look for the positive, even in tough times. If you're struggling right now, know that you're not alone. These tools are here to help you take back control of your mental state, one step at a time. Small changes lead to big results, so start where you are and keep moving forward. Thank you for tuning in to Hack Your Greatness. If you found this episode helpful, share it with a friend who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and remember, greatness is within you. Sometimes you just need to hack your way to it.